This is a 5-step process Tom, a support engineer, has gone through in 14 weeks to transition to a project manager with a 40% income increase and a whole new life to look forward to. So step 1, we focused on setting the right foundation to get his mind right. In other words, tap deep within to eliminate doubt, anxiety, depression, and traces from his past so he can focus being an effective leader ready to take on any challenge. Step 2, we worked with him to master personality types, as well as his own, in order to be able to manage effective conversations and relationships at work, as majority of PM's job is managing people. Step 3, set his PM foundations right to understand how to manage anything that comes along, and that's exactly what helped him excel the timeline, allowing larger projects to come through and make more money. Step 4, I taught him how to write great resumes and be unique with his interviews. Things like the journey, a technique I invented. It's kind of like Jordan Belfort's closing style. It just works. And he certainly used it over the years. And step 5, he learned how to become a high income earner by using everything he's learned. So he packaged it into consulting, giving him a whole new world of opportunities. You don't worry about income challenges. You don't worry about will there be another job next month, next year, year after that, and so on. And I'll stop talking now and let you hear it from him by checking out the YouTube video in my bio.